Dear souls, welcome back to another empowerment episode on our YouTube channel. In today's video, we discuss 14 tips you can use if you want to attract a young lady. Ever wanted to attract younger women as an older man? Well, today, let's dive into the heart of the matter. We break down the ways older men can genuinely connect with and attract younger women. It's not about looking or acting young, it's about understanding the genuine appeal you bring to the table. By the end of this video, you will have the insight to confidently approach younger women and understand the foundation of lasting connections in age gap relationships. Ready to find the key? Let's unfold the story together. How to attract a young woman? Number 1. Offering stability. Stability here is not necessarily the same as financial security, although that is certainly part of it. However, emotional stability is a key element that should not be overlooked. Show her that you are a reliable, stable, and grounded man, one who is not easily swayed by the needs and desires of life. This sense of stability and security that comes with maturity often makes young women attractive to older men. So show her that you're that port in a storm, a calm, comforting presence she can always count on. Also, let her know that you are there for the good times, but also for the challenging times. This level of stability can provide an incredibly attractive sense of security. Number 2. Communicate openly. This is essential in any relationship regardless of age. Make sure you express your thoughts and feelings openly and encourage her to do the same. Whether you're looking for a casual fling or a serious long-term relationship, be clear about your intentions and expectations from the start. Also, it is very important that you listen to and respect her wishes and expectations. Open communication builds trust, clears up misunderstandings, and allows the relationship to grow naturally. Plus, it shows her that you respect her enough to be honest and open, and that you value her enough to listen to her. So speak, but listen. It's a two-way street, and it can make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Number 3. Be patient. Now let's dive into our third tip on the virtue of patience. Remember, Rome was not built in a day, and especially not relationships with significant age differences. Just as a plant takes time to grow into a strong tree, relationships take time to grow and mature. Being patient means respecting her pace and comfort. Remember, it's not about the final destination, it's about the journey. A young woman may not be used to the ways of an older man, and she may need time to understand your lifestyle, your habits, and your world. So don't rush things, don't force things, let them unfold naturally. Show her that you are there, that you are interested, but also that you are patient. This way, you lay the foundation for a deep, meaningful relationship rather than a casual, superficial relationship. Number 4. Keep your life in balance. Our fourth tip for you today is to keep your life in balance. It's quite easy to lose yourself when trying to impress someone, especially when they're in a different age group. But the key is to maintain a healthy balance. Keep doing the things you love, the things that make you who you are. This can be as simple as maintaining your Sunday golfing ritual with your friends or keeping up with your travel plans. But at the same time, don't forget to make time for her. Show her that she is an important part of your life, but not the only one. Also, showing her that you have a life outside of your relationship will not only make you look attractive, but also make her realize that you are living and independent, fulfilling and full of experiences. This balance can really set you apart. Number 5. Be adventurous. It's about being adventurous. Who said adventure has an age limit? Absolutely no one. The thirst for adventure should never die, and expressing this side of you can be very appealing to a young. This doesn't mean you need to go bungee jumping or diving, but if you're up for it, why not? Being adventurous can be as simple as trying a new food, exploring a new city, or picking up a new hobby. It's all about getting out of your comfort zone and experiencing life beyond conventional boundaries. This shows her that you're not just a grown man, but fun, exciting, and open to new experiences. Plus, adventuring together can create memorable moments that can strengthen your bond. Number 6. Be a good listener. It seems simple, but it is often overlooked. Trust me, It's one of the most attractive qualities one can have. When you listen, you're telling the other person that you value what they're saying and that their opinions matter. For a young woman, this is especially important. She may be used to being dismissed because of her age, so having someone who genuinely listens to her can be a refreshing change. And when I say listen, I mean active listening. This includes not only hearing her words, but also understanding them, responding to them, and engaging in conversation. Remember, this should go beyond her words. Listen to her silence, her expressions, and her body language. This level of attention shows her that you really care, and it can deepen your relationship like nothing else. Number 7. Maintain your physical health. Maintain your physical health. Now, this doesn't mean you have to have a fitness model body. It simply means taking care of your body, as a healthy body often indicates a healthy mind. It can be as simple as walking every day, hitting the gym a few times a week, or doing yoga at home. Eating healthy is also part of this. Show her that you care about your health and well-being. Not only does this make you look good, but it also tells her that you intend to stick around for a while. Number 8. Show kindness. For number 8, it's about showing kindness. Gentlemen, kindness is timeless. It never goes out. But kindness isn't just about being nice to her. It's being kind to everyone. The waiter at your restaurant, the doorman, the old lady across the street. Because kindness speaks volumes about who you are as a person. Trust me, she will see. It's these little things that can make a big difference. A random act of kindness can touch her heart like nothing else. And remember, true kindness comes from a place of genuine concern, not the intent to impress someone. So be kind not only in your words, but also in your actions. Not only for her, but for everyone around you. Number 9. Respect her autonomy. Our 9th tip is very important. Just because you have more life experience doesn't mean you have the right to control her life. It is very important to recognize and accept her independence. Respect her choices, her decisions, and her ability to navigate her own life. Remember, the last thing she needs is another parent figure. So instead of lecturing, share your knowledge and experience in a non-condescending way. Instead of insisting on your way, discuss and decide things together. It is mutual respect and understanding. It is to treat her as an equal and a partner. This way, you not only show her your maturity, but you also build a foundation of trust and respect, which is essential in any relationship. Number 10. Stay updated and relevant. Okay, let's move on to our 10th tip, which is to stay up to date and relevant. Now, this doesn't mean you need to completely change who you are or pretend to be someone you're not. Instead, it's about bridging the generation gap by keeping up with the world around you. Understand current trends, listen to the latest music, and keep up with the latest tech gadgets. Immerse yourself in her world without losing your identity. This allows you to engage in stimulating conversations and shared experiences. Moreover, it shows her that you are open-minded and adaptable. Imagine being able to discuss her favorite Netflix series or the latest Billie Eilish track. These shared interests can be a wonderful way to connect and bond. Number 11. Take a genuine interest in her life. Moving on to our 11th tip, take a genuine interest in her life. Remember, age is not the only difference here. Her interests, her lifestyle, and her perspective, they may be different from yours, but that's what makes getting to know her so interesting. Ask about her hobbies, her dreams, and her daily life. Show curiosity, but remember, no one likes to feel like they are being interviewed. Make it a two-way conversation. Share about your life too. It's all about building a relationship. Number 12. Be yourself. Tip number 12. Be yourself. Authenticity is key, my friends. There is nothing more attractive than a man who is comfortable in his own skin. Just embrace who you are, your age, your experience, your maturity. These are not defects. Show her that you're content with who you are, but you're also open to new experiences and learning. The self-assurance that comes with age is a magnet, and the right person will appreciate you for it. Number 13. Dress well. One effective way to attract a younger woman in an age gap relationship is to dress well and pay attention to your style. Choose clothes that reflect your personality and complement your body. Choose trendy, age-appropriate clothes that exude your confidence and sophistication. Consider incorporating trendy pieces or classic staples into your wardrobe to stay current and stylish. Experiment with different colors, patterns, and textures to add visual interest and personality to your look. Pay attention to beauty and personal hygiene. Maintain a well-groomed appearance by styling your hair, trimming your beard if applicable, and keeping your skin clear and moisturized. Accessorize thoughtfully to elevate your outfit and add a touch of personality. A stylish watch, a pair of statement shoes, or a well-chosen accessory can have a significant impact on your overall look. By dressing well and taking pride in your appearance, you not only enhance your physical attractiveness but also exude confidence and sophistication, qualities that are very attractive to young women in age-gap relationships. Number 14. Show your emotional maturity. Demonstrating emotional maturity is critical when attracting a younger woman in an age-gap relationship. Communicate openly and honestly about your feelings, thoughts, and experiences. Be willing to engage in meaningful conversations and express vulnerability when appropriate. Practice active listening and empathy to understand her perspective and validate her feelings. Take a genuine interest in her life, dreams, and aspirations, and offer support and encouragement as needed. Handle conflicts and disagreements calmly and respectfully. Avoid reacting impulsively or defensively. Instead, try to find mutually beneficial solutions through effective communication and compromise. Demonstrate confidence and self-confidence in your actions and decisions. Show that you are secure in yourself and your identity, and that you are able to handle challenges and setbacks with grace and resilience. Lead by example by demonstrating integrity, accountability, and reliability in your words and actions. Show that you are trustworthy and reliable. Show that you can be trusted to follow through on your commitments. By displaying emotional maturity, you not only lay a solid foundation for a healthy and fulfilling relationship, but also demonstrate your suitability as a partner for a young woman in an age-gap relationship. There you have it, 14 tips you can use if you want to attract a young lady. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And remember, consistency is key. Implement these tips daily, and you'll notice significant changes over time. Stay tuned for more valuable insights, and thank you for watching. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you achieve your goals.